We're in Bowie today, doing a VIP upgrade. And how big is this drainage system?
About 500 feet.
500?
16 zone VIP.
What's happening, guys? How are you?
Good, thank you. How are you?
Fantastic. How's the VIP coming?
Good. I can you the wire truck for the last 3 stations not coming.
3 zones not coming on?
Yeah. Can you the wire truck?
Get the tracker? I'll help you. Hook it up. I'll help you track it down. We were helping Wilbur yesterday. Got the tracker, I'll help you. If you want, hook her up. Track her down. You remember when we installed this originally? You remember when we installed this and did the lights?
Yeah.
That's the Vista lights.
Yes,
See the front door here? Yeah. Hey, Edwin.
How are you?
Good, sir. How's it going here?
Working is a lot of pipes, the sprinkler,
Yep.
and the powers.
Power to the pool.
Yeah, water. This line got it all fixed there.
There's a lot to do back here. It's
Then
all
you
tight.
can put up that one, and that one, and that one, that one.
So you got 4
Yeah.
lines coming in.
3 downspouts and something.
Why is this going to connect in over here? Is it? Oh, that's a cap, isn't it?
Yeah, I can.
Cap. That'll be clogged up, and that's all old anyway. That'll be good fixing all this up.
You can put up this two today.
Yeah, bring it out.
I got it right here.
I like that.
If you want more white here, I got it one down over here.
Probably just put a T underneath the
Yeah,
downspout.
oh, here I put this piece right here, and now if you put 122 to there, and had it 190.
Yeah, 222s. You can bring it out of here.
Yeah.
That'll work. Good idea.
Then we put one here on here for the put up that 190 there. And
Just do the blowout 90 and then 2 to 4 and then T it with the downspout.
Yep. Then you have an air gap there. You don't even have to put a T there. You know what I mean? Just to elbow down, as long as you can breathe there. You know what I mean?
yeah.
Same thing. As long as you can breathe. So, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Something ever got clogged up from on the sump pump, it can keep
I
kicking.
think maybe you cut it right here.
Yep.
And they put 194 inch there, and put the one wire over here. So they put the
You can.
yeah,
Blowout.
yeah, I can do this.
You can put a blowout and just don't glue it. But as long as that blowout can come to here, you're fine.
And I put a 4 inch down.
Yeah, that's fine. That's what I'm saying though. As long as it's got some place to breathe, you don't have to have that. What's the extent of the drainage over here?
Just the 2 downspouts. Takes to the fence.
Over here?
Yeah.
Okay. So we're gonna go through here.
I'll just cut it once the hill
Right here?
starts to decline, yeah.
And that's gonna be okay.
That's what it is on the drawing, I believe.
Okay, so
I thought it was more out front, but it's not with the driveway and everything.
okay. We gotta get this man a TLC hat. You the TLC hat. Tomorrow morning, I'll get you one.
Que mañana te va a dar tu gorra.
Ah, don't be stealing Claudia's. Don't be stealing Claudia's hat. What you guys got back here? Got some sprays going on?
That's right.
Sprays?
Yeah. That's right. One.
You haven't done them yet, right?
This just,
They're all new.
yeah.
You just laying them out, getting them ready.
Yeah.
Gotcha. Nice out here today.
Yeah.
Not too hot, not too cold, right?
Yeah. Good weather.
Good working weather. Won't be long, it'll be 100 degrees out. Marge, you gonna help us this summer? Yeah? She said yes, sir. Something happened to her? She got a fever?
A little bit.
Supposed to put the box there for the 200 boxes over here.
Looks like almost where that sprinkler head is lower.
Yeah, this is the sprinkler head. Put this not is there.
I'd move that sprinkler head up this way and move that box right there where that funny pipe is, right there. Right here where that funny pipe comes in there, that's your lowest right there.
You think what I want to do for the support the box? The through side over here.
No, Right where that sprinkler head is your lowest. Put that box right in there. It'll suck all that water up. Yep. There, I'd actually had that over here with Donnie. I take that head, move that head north this way a couple feet, and right there where that head is, put that box.
Yeah, for all the water that's coming to
I know, but where that box is where you need it. That's too far up. Put it right there where that head is. Okay, move that head one way or another. Put that box right there. Then you guys got it. No. Right where that sprinkler head is. We'll move that sprinkler head, Felix. Yep, put that box right in that hole. Perfect. There you go.
It's got a good fall here, but then it would wash away all the mulch and all the...
Yeah, it would. You know?
Expose
Then
all
you'd
the
have a
roots.
big erosion problem.
Yeah.
You might want to have them guys hold up, putting them heads, because you're going to be right there in the same area. You know what I mean? They're going to go down there with the drainage pipe. Move the head out this way. Yeah, move them out of the way. Same thing with the one down there.
Yeah.
Move them up out of the way from the trees anyway. That way when we dig for the pipe.
Yeah, we already trenched it up. It's ready just to cut and install. It's already.
All this is open and done?
Yeah. I mean, like the heads. I mean, yeah.
I was going to say, you must be a mysterious man, because I don't see any of that dug open. Go at the sprinkler heads. I got you.
Yeah, I'm sorry about that.
Gotcha.
Seeing it's calling for all day, but only a tenth of an inch all day.
Not much.
55.
55 what? Chance?
For tomorrow.
Yeah, but when I checked it, the period of time, it looked like it was between like 8 and 9 or 9 and 10, and that was it. The rest of the day is just cloudy. So we'll see. I think it'll be a cloudy day, but I don't think we're going to get much rain. Not like Saturday. Saturday, too much. Saturday, a lot of rain. 3 inches. 3 inches. 3 inches. Thanks for watching this episode of Life of a Contractor, and we'll see you next week with another episode.